Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove a phone number in Shopee. If you recently changed your number, want to update your account information, or simply want to remove the number connected to your Shopee account, this tutorial will guide you through the whole process in a very simple way. I'll walk you through where to go in the app, which settings you need to open, and what option you should select to successfully remove your phone number. Just follow along with the steps on your screen, and you'll be able to do it in only a few minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started and jump right into the tutorial. What we first want to do is search up Shopee and then our country name. Then click the first link that appears. Then a new screen appears where we will go to the right side of the screen and hover over our Accounts button. Then the option My Accounts appear, which we are going to click. Then again, a new screen appears where we will go down and click the blue Add button. After that, a new screen appears where we can update our phone number or remove it. After finishing up, we will click Save button. To sum up, we start by searching for Shopee with our country name and opening the first link that appears. Then we hover over the Account button on the right side and click My Account. After that, we scroll down and click the blue Add button, where a new screen lets us update or remove our phone number. Once we're done, we simply click the Save button to apply the changes. And that's basically how you can remove a phone number in Shopee. As you saw, the process is pretty simple once you know where to go in the account settings and what option to select. If you followed the steps exactly like we did in this video, you should be able to manage or remove your phone number without any problems. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to support the video so more people can find it and learn from it as well. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.